Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get a refund on CNFANS. So first of all, open your browser, go to cnfans.com and then log in with your account. So from the home page, first of all, you'll need to know the conditions and terms to get a refund. Like would you get a full refund, would you get the delivery fee, and all the others. To know all the conditions, what you'll have to do is from the home page, you'll have to scroll all the way down and you will see returns and refunds. So click on here, so it will take you to this page where you'll see all the conditions. So this is a huge list with multiple categories of products, so each category has different conditions, so go through all of them. So after you went through all of them, what you'll have to do is you'll see this headphone icon at the right side of your screen. So press on that. This is a chat bot icon. So after pressing, you will see this chat bot open. So from here, as I scroll to the top, I've already done it, so I'll just show you. So this question will be presented to you. So then you'll have to click on orders, as I've clicked, as you can see. So after that, these options will be there. So from here, what you'll have to do is you'll have to type in I want a refund. So it will ask you for your name, so then you'll have to type in your name so that they can communicate with you. So then you'll have to select I want to return the item or I want to cancel the order. So if you want to return the item, you'll have to select the I want to return the item, and then they will give you this condition space as I've just shown you guys, like 5 days return and policy and everything, and with 2 screenshots. So let's open the screenshots. So as you can see, this is your order. So if you go to your from the profile icon, press on that and then go to orders. Here in the all tab, you'll see your orders. So here you can see a return or exchange button and the time limit also, like the 5 days. So you can press on here, and then after that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to see this contact button below your order. So what you'll have to do is, to get a refund, you'll have to contact the seller of the product, like the seller that you're buying the product from. You'll have to contact them, and then before 5 days are complete, you'll have to contact them and tell them your reasons, and then they will apply the return, and you will get a refund from them. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.